Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. In the quest to actualize Biafra, a lot of things have happened and a lot of water have gone under the bridge. Angers rising, tempers rising, people questioning themselves, how did it come to this level? And after a lot of bloodletting here and there, lives going down the drain, and also the quest as well to secure the land space. They are now wondering, is that where it's going to end? With the recent sit at home that was announced, later suspended, and later enforced by some other persons allegedly using the name of IPOB. People are now wondering, is this how we're going to go? Quarters, people are talking on other sides, saying that they seem not to control themselves. Ima Powerful have reinstated that they are one body, not a, a miscreant movement, but an organized movement that is ready to restore Biafra. But as we speak, many things have happened. Their politicians are talking, elites are talking, enforcement here and there. Now, clergymen are talking, but they are asking for one demand too many. They're asking for something not impossible, but quite difficult to realize. The clergymen, the stakeholders are begging for something. I do not know if those who have lost their brothers, their fathers, their husbands, their son will be willing to listen. But if they can, it will go a long way. But if they can't, it's going to be a serious issue. Probably a serious disaster in the hands of those controlling this whole affair. Before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is they are asking for from both the stakeholders, IPOB, those actually agitating for Biafra, and every other person in the southeastern region, would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update a channel on YouTube. Now, a clergyman named Sunday Noah on Wednesday called on the people in Nigeria's southeast to eschew violence and embrace peace. Mr. Shaw, who is a board member of the Global Peace Foundation (GPF), gave the advice in a statement he made available to reporters in Abuja. It said that when brothers fight, especially to death, a stranger inherits their property. That's a deep one. I make reference to this insightful adage in view of the agony we have all witnessed over the years, the pain and the trauma that many people have gone through, and the various ways the lives and properties of our people in the eastern part of Nigeria have been negatively impacted. The very essence of our human existence has been threatened by a perpetration of injury, violation and scarring of our land, and we appear to be a people at war. It is painful to see this level of broken or fragmented relationships everywhere, as it leads us on a path of self-destruction. I therefore call for forgiveness and an attempt at reconciliation by all persons. If this does not happen, and happen very fast, we shall all pay heavily for it, and our children will not forgive us. The time to act is now. And Mr. Noah, who is a bishop, Mr. Noah stressed the need for dialogue and reconciliation between the government and the non-state actors to check the increasing security challenges in the region. Each group, both government and non-state actors, claiming to be acting on behalf of our people and defending our welfare, key players must be brought to the dialogue table. Let us begin by forgiving one another. First, at the dialogue table, may we all relinquish all moral indignation, give up the desire for retaliation, and focus on the urgent need to regenerate our relationship, he said. According to him, as we break the kola nut of peace, signifying our mindset is turned to allow peace to reign, may this cognitive process give us a fuller understanding and recognition of what hurts the other, and together agree on how to address our individual difference. We can do it, knowing fully well that there's no government that wants to manage an unstable, ungovernable society. In a family, we all quarrel. Even the tongue and the teeth sometimes have misunderstandings. The leaders of IPOB must see the pain on the faces of our people and be willing to forgive anyone they feel have offended them. The state actors should also look for a way of forgiving the agitators and treat everyone as members of the same family who have their ways of expressing themselves in the protest to perceived injustice. I plead with all parties in God's name to halt the trampling of rights immediately and take steps to heal our land. Blessings and prayers as always for the land of our birth, the cleric said. Oh God, this is a big Clarion call. I know lives have gone, but further into that path will lead much more. And that's not what we want. Already the north is going. Should the south also follow? Especially the southeast? Can't we ensure peace? But at least it's heartwarming to know that IPOB, via the mouthpiece of a more powerful media publicity secretary, has come all out and debunk all the news going around that is actually IPOB that is enforcing the sit at home. They have severally said they are not the one, which means some other actors using the faces of, or the names rather, of IPOB are the one acting it, which means there are people somewhere trying to destabilize Southeast indeed. That is not even enough. The fact also that its governors also are also hell-bent on ensuring that they remain practically the chief security officer. But also Nnamdi Kanu in detention and the people getting very vexed that no one is talking on his behalf, or better placed, no one they feel is talking on his behalf. I'm sure there are, in dialogue going on the ground without coming to the media space. But just some hours ago, Senator Ike Ekweremadu, alongside in the presence of Senator Yine Abarebe, have actually assured the Southeasterners that they are going to look into this matter, table the matter to appropriate portals. So we're trusting that there will be peace in the land, with so much militarization, military presence in the Southeast. One begins to wonder, if you move towards that path, already it's as if the region is on self-destruct. Sit at home. Some are already putting it on the ground that it's building results. But it's actually paining the people. It's paining the government. But some persons are saying it's not paining them. It's just for a cause. Any cause you make that is not reaching out directly to the federation itself, is actually self-imposed. Let's put in a conversation. I know it's a big one the clergyman is asking, but can it be achieved? Angers are rising.